Teeth and microbes. We all are born without teeth. Teeth start growing out of the gums later. By the age of 3, the child has a set of 20 teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. At the age of 6, the child starts losing the milk teeth. As the milk teeth fall, new teeth grow in their places from the gums. This new set of teeth is called permanent teeth. Every adult has a set of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. If you lose any tooth of this set, you do not get new one in its place. Teeth are a very important part of our body. They give shape to our face, help us to bite and chew food, help us to speak clearly. Kinds of teeth. There are 4 kinds of permanent teeth. Incisors. The 4 front teeth in each jaw are incisors. They have sharp, straight edges. They are used for cutting and biting food. They are also called cutting teeth. Canines. There are 2 canines in each jaw. They are present on either side of the incisors in each jaw. They are very sharp and pointed. They help to tear the food. For this reason, they are called tearing teeth. Premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. They are next to the canines. They are broad and flat. These teeth help us to crack food like nuts. They are also called cracking teeth. Molars. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They are next to the premolars. They are broader than premolars. They help to grind the food. They are also called grinding teeth. Parts of a tooth. When we open our mouth and look into the mirror, we can see our teeth. The soft gums hold our teeth. Each tooth has a crown and root. The part of the tooth that we see is crown, and the part inside the gum, which we cannot see, is root. The outside white covering of the tooth is called enamel. This is the hardest material in the human body. The layer inside the enamel that forms the main part of the tooth is called dentine. The center of the tooth is called pulp. It lies inside the dentine. This is soft and has blood vessels and nerves in it. Tooth decay. When we eat, small bits of food may be stuck between our teeth. When we do not brush our teeth carefully, this stuck food rots and our teeth get covered with a thin, sticky layer of germs called plaque. This plaque reacts with the sugar present in the food to produce acid. The acid affects the tooth enamel and starts decaying it. This is called tooth decay. It causes holes or cavities in the enamel. As a result, the nerves and the blood vessels in the pulp get exposed. When any cold or hot thing comes in contact with these exposed nerves, we get a toothache. Thus, tooth decay causes the following: toothache, foul smell from the mouth, stomach disorders, holes or cavities in the teeth, loss of teeth, care of teeth. Teeth are a very important part of our body. We must take care of our teeth to prevent tooth decay. We must brush our teeth at least twice a day, in the morning and at night before going to bed. We should eat raw vegetables like carrots and fruits like apples. They make our gums and teeth strong. We should avoid too many sweets and chocolates. They spoil our teeth. We should brush our teeth correctly as shown below. Outside surface of upper teeth. Use a downward sweeping motion. Inside surface of upper teeth. Use a downward sweeping motion. Outside surface of lower teeth. Use an upward sweeping motion. Inside surface of lower teeth. Use an upward sweeping motion. Surface of premolars and molars. Scrub back and forth. We should drink milk. It has calcium that makes our teeth strong. We must floss our teeth every day. Teeth that are not kept clean get covered with a yellow substance called tartar. This can be removed by a dentist. We should visit a dentist at least twice a year. Microbes. Microbes are very small living things. They can be seen only through a microscope. Microbes are found everywhere. They can be found in air, water, soil, food, and also inside and outside the bodies of plants, animals, and humans. Some microbes are useful to us, and some are harmful. Microbes that cause diseases are called germs. There are mainly 4 types of microbes. They are bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Harmful microbes. Microbes, diseases caused. Bacteria, typhoid, diphtheria, pneumonia, tuberculosis. Viruses, measles, polio, smallpox, influenza, flu, common cold. Fungi, ringworm, athlete's foot, protozoa, malaria, dysentery. Useful microbes. There are some microbes that are useful to us in many ways. Some fungi, called yeast, help in baking soft cakes and bread. Some bacteria, lactobacillus, change milk into curd. Some bacteria help in the decay of dead plants and animals. Some bacteria help to produce vitamins in our bodies. Fungi, called yeast, help in baking soft cakes and bread. Some bacteria, lactobacillus, change milk into curd. Some bacteria help in the decay of dead plants and animals. Some bacteria help to produce vitamins in our bodies.